With this video, we're going to focus on a very important task that you have to do with Google Meet. Now, Google Meet is great because it's automatically embedded right here in your Google Classroom. You don't have to worry about setting up a Meet like you had with Zoom. You don't have to worry about giving your students a password. So that's great. It's right here. Easy access for students to use, for teachers to use. You don't have to create anything. But this is the deal. If you leave this link up, your students can click on it anytime they want, even if you're not having a Google Meet. So they could meet without you. That's something that we don't want. So when you're not having a Google Meet, you want to make this link invisible to students. And this is how you do it. You come over here to the gear shift icon and click on it. This is where you have your class settings, your class details. You can change the name, give description, all that good information. You can also access the code, reset the code, disable the code if you need to. This is also where you would disable posts. If you don't want your students to be able to post or you don't want them to be able to comment, you only want to do that. This is also where you have access to show deleted items or not show them. Turn on the notifications for garden summaries. This is that part that you need for Google Meet. Very important. If you ever need to copy that link or reset it, you can do it right here. But this is what you want. It says visible to students right now. This is on, it's visible. I want to turn that off. Click save so that it's no longer visible to my students. And from the teacher view, we still see the link, but it shows the little I with the slash through it saying that it's not visible to students, just as a reminder. So when we go in and we look at our page, we know that the students can't see it if this is up here. Students would no longer have that link available on their end. Now to go back and make it visible, you go to the class settings just like before and just click right here. Make sure you click save. And then when it shows up, you will see the little video icon, the Google Meet icon, and that lets you know that it is visible to students. So you want to make sure that you make it visible when you're about to start a Google Meet and then make it invisible once you end the Google Meet. This is very important because once again, if you have that link visible to students, they can click on it anytime they want without you, the teacher, being in the Meet session. So make sure that you only make it visible when you're about to start a Google Meet, and once you end the Google Meet, be the last one to leave and go back and make sure that you make that invisible to students.